Peter, where are you, darling? Where are you, Peter? Peter, where are you?
I'm over here.
Where's over here? But be more specific, Peter. I mean, God, Lee. Peter, where are you? Peter, where are you? Peter!
I'm over here reading a book.
Where are you, Peter?
In the foyer.
God, that's all you had to say the first time, Peter.
It's okay.
Oh, God, your fiascos are just unreal.
What happened to you today?
Oh, thank God, darling. Let me explain something.
What happened?
First of all, I wouldn't be polite on me without asking how was your day today.
Well, it was alright, you know. Just had to get a lot of work done, you know. Taking it easy. Getting ready to go. I got a new job coming up that, you know, just take a couple days off, just relax, take it easy.
Peter, darling, I'm a rich woman indeed, okay? I don't have time for your fiasco food, okay?
Yes.
You have to understand, okay? A rich woman I am indeed, a rich woman. Indeed. And by far, do you know what I did today, darling? I went for a fabulous adventure, and I decided to exercise today. You know me, I like to exercise every single day.
Yes? What happened? Did you hurt yourself something?
But did you hear me, darling? I like to exercise every day.
Yeah. Yeah, you do. Exercise every day.
Peter.
What?
I exercise every day.
Yeah? Probably multiple times a day, right?
Peter, do you remember the conversation we had, darling, before I went for my fabulous exercise?
Oh, that one, huh? Yeah, okay. So, what down?
Fiascos of you.
Oh.
Anywho, let me just move on. So I found out something very fascinating, darling.
What you found out?
I found out that indeed, it's true that I have three. I am a triplet. I have two fabulous sisters. Oh, darling, I'm going to teach them well. And you know what I need? I just need their power. If I just had their power. If I just had their power. I just need their power.
Yeah.
I need their power. I think that they will understand that I have. And see, okay, let me explain something, darling. They don't know this, but I know this because you know, I found grandmother's book when she passed away, darling, and she revealed that we had powers, and that's why you know when we met and I realized you had powers and I had powers, I thought it would be something fabulous. I mean, as a matter of fact, you can read that book for me, darling.
This book.
The book from grandmother. I read the book from grandmother. Fiascos, indeed. Wait. Let me ponder on this for just a second. I got it. I got it. Okay, anyway, I was just, as I was pondering and I was doing my little thinking, you know, when I think, I always somehow feel fire in my hands when I think. I don't know, maybe I just want to burn something. I don't know what it is. Anywho, I decided that I'm going to contact my sisters and I'm going to act like that I'm going to meet them because our grandmother died. Well, she's been dead, darling. But I'm going to simply let them know about the little venture and send a copy of that book. Have the book, darling.
Yes.
Wait.
Here's the book.
Thank you, darling.
Yes.
Okay. See, you're really messing up because I told you in the house we're supposed to use our power.
Oh yes, that's what I did. I went.
No,
I
didn't
went
want
to
you-
base
I
and
didn't
learned
want
about your own power. You know.
I wanted to use the power. I wanted to use the power. Okay, what is the point of being? I want to point at something, and I'm just going to do this, and it's going to come to me. Okay. So let's take, for example, that book. I'm going to watch this, Peter. Comic book. It's a little rusty. I got it off the table. Peter, try to get it. We move out the way. Let me try this again. Sometimes it's a little rusty. I got to get my hands ready. Oh, God, what's going on? Comic book. little rusty, little rusty, little rusty. But I got it. See, Peter? And the thing is, I got to learn the technique of my book. And my powers are kind of new, so let me see how to, let me try the drink. I'm seeing if I can do it in my mind. Why, Peter, can you tell me, darling, why everything is flying so hard? Why I'm trying to, it's like, how do I control my power to make it slow down? And, let's try this again. I don't know why it's so rusty. Peter, help! Peter! Peter! Ah, Peter, I'm hurting! Ah, Peter! Ah!